The shade crawls about your face and flows out into your hair. The waves are endless, never halting. You gaze a blank stare, a touch rush